Welcome back to Soul Power Snacks. Today's snack animal is an eagle in honor of the 4th of July here in the United States. Let's get started. For today's snack animal, you will need a half a banana, 2 strawberries, 2 dates, 1 chocolate chip, and 12 or more blueberries. You're also going to want to prepare your dates and your strawberries. Take one of your dates and cut it in half, then slice up the other date. You will do the same with your strawberries. Cut one of your strawberries in half and slice up the rest of the strawberry and the other strawberry into pieces. You can see that I moved my ingredients into the bowls off to the side and put my half a banana in the board. I also put my chocolate chip up on the board just so I wouldn't lose it. I now will take my spreader and I'm going to cut my banana just slightly above the halfway point, being very careful. Next, I'm going to slice down my 1 banana half into 2 pieces. I put my spreader off to the side and moved my banana pieces to the top of my board. I grabbed one of my banana slices and moved to the center of my board. Now I will grab a strawberry and put that on the bottom of the banana, which will be the body of my eagle. Now I am grabbing my 2 dates. Here we go. Can you guess what part of the eagle this is? The wings. Yes. Eagles have strong, powerful wings that help them glide. I now am grabbing my remaining date slices and I'm going to arrange them on the bottom of the strawberry. These are going to be the tail feathers. I grabbed my spreader and now I'm going to grab my remaining banana slice and I'm going to cut it into pieces. Here's 1, here's 2. I'm cutting them into 3 pieces. You can cut them into as many pieces as you want. My eagle will be different than yours, and remember, being different is awesome. So if you have different pieces, that's fine. One of my banana pieces has a little chunk on the bottom. Guess what I did to get rid of it? Munch, munch, munched. Yep. Now I'm going to grab the chocolate chip and put it right on my banana's top here. That's going to be my eagle's eye. Now I'm going to take my spreader and very carefully cut one of the ends of my dates, and I'm going to squish it a little bit to give it a pointy little end. This is going to be my eagle's beak. Just adjusting here. My eagle looks pretty magnificent, doesn't he? Now I'm taking my spreader and I'm going to cut my remaining banana into 2 slices. This is going to be that really special surprise. We're going to make fireworks. Are you ready? Take your bananas and put them on either side of the eagle. We're going to use our blueberries and our strawberries. I'm grabbing my strawberries here. Boop. Putting them on my board, and now I'm going to arrange them around the banana pieces. I'm going to use about 6 pieces on each banana. Remember, yours can look different than mine. Now I'm going to grab my bowl of blueberries, put them on my board, boop, boop, boop. And I'm going to arrange my blueberries at the tip of each of my strawberries. My extra ones I will place in the middle of my bananas. That's a little decoration. And here you have your fireworks. They're so cool, just like real fireworks. And our eagle flapping his wings. Wow, what a very cool creation you made today. We hope you all had a wonderful 4th of July and had a great time making your eagle with us today. Don't forget to shine your light by eating right. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, subscribe, and ring that bell. for more snack animal fun. See you next time. Bye!